All right, we're cutting across to visuals that we are picking up of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is in Italy for the G20 summit and several bilateral meetings also that are lined up for him. In the latest, these are visuals we are picking up of the Prime Minister up on your television screens as he's set to hold multiple bilateral meetings during the course of his visit. And yes, these are the latest visuals that we are picking up of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is in Rome. He will be holding several bilateral meetings with his counterparts through the course of these 2 days. And up on your television screens, latest visuals of Prime Minister meeting the European Union Commission President, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to also be hosted at the residence of the Italian Prime Minister in the evening. He is going to be participating in the 2-day G20 summit, the global forum for international cooperation, and also likely to hold several bilateral meetings on the sidelines of the G20 summit, including one with the Italian Prime Minister. We are being told that he will also, as you can see on your television screens, have a brief meeting with the European Union Commission President. And up on your television screens, those latest visuals of the Prime Minister that we are picking up. And apart from attending the summit, which of course has its focus on the global economy, health, sustainable development, also environment and climate change, there are likely to be meetings with heads of several states. And Abhishek Kapoor, our senior executive editor, will perhaps be able to tell us more about what's lined up for the Prime Minister as we keep up with these visuals. Yes, Abhishek, over to you.
Well, the most important meeting between today is, of course, with the Prime Minister of Italy, Mario Draghi. And apart from that, Prime Minister is going to have a community event where the Indian community in Italy would be meeting the Prime Minister, interacting. He would be interacting with them, and the possibility of a photo op. But that's a small bit today. But what is more important is tomorrow, where early in the morning he calls on Pope Francis and meets the Secretary of State of Vatican City, which is Cardinal Pietro Parolin, and that's how the day pans out tomorrow. In fact, there is a meeting with Charles Michel, who's President of the European Council, and of course, Ursula von der Leyen, who's the President of the European Commission. These are the meetings that are lined up for day after, I believe, day after tomorrow. And no, it's just these are tomorrow. So the meeting with Pope, the meeting with the European Commission President and the European Council President, both lined up tomorrow. In fact, Prime Minister would be also having another meeting tomorrow, which is with the President of France, Emmanuel Macron. So it's a busy day tomorrow lined up, but today essentially a community event, which is later in the day, and of course with Prime Minister of Italy, Mario Draghi, which is slated for 5:15 p.m. India time, which is a couple of hours from now. Christine.
All right, so the focus remains on Prime Minister participating in the G20 summit. Thank you, Abhishek, for breaking down those details. And if we talk about these visuals, as you can see, Prime Minister currently holding a joint meeting with President of European Council, Charles Michel, and President of European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen. We'll keep up with all the breaking developments we're picking up of the Prime Minister's visit. For the moment, moving on.